Here's some footage sent in from Gator Leak Detection down in South Florida. I like to keep in touch with most of my trainees. We do consulting for free. You own our equipment, you have a problem, call us up, and we're here to give our second opinion if necessary, or to help you through anything. Anyway, here's a pool. Nice deck, nice situation. However, they were hearing a lot of noise in this pool. Hearing boiling from a very large section. That's common. You get that in a lot of situations. You get that usually where there's multiple leaks, but this wasn't the case. Anyway, they had marked the deck in this first picture, and that's where they were planning on cutting. But one thing that we teach in our training, always get eyes on it if we can. So using the camera, we're able to put in our cam back, and we did not see a leak over there. He did not see a leak over there. Here's the second leak where he thought it was literally sheared off by these steps. So there's a return on the bottom step, and where you see that X was where, again, he was hearing noises, but again, these were false noises. Because again, he put the cam vac in over there, got the 1.5-inch camera in there, no problem. And sure enough, there wasn't another leak. So we avoided cutting the deck twice, but guess where it was? Take a look where this pipe probe, you see it in the ground, the soil probe. Well, this leak wound up being not under the deck. It was where it was diggable. So he was able to get the cam vac in there, so he sent the camera in from over at the equipment area. He was able to get the cam vac on it and see a broken 90 right where you see it. Here's the repair, and this is how he got it done. So the moral of the story on this video is to use all the equipment that you have. Again, it's good to be able to just listen. It's good to be able to die test. It's good to be able to back yourself up on these leaks. But you got to cross over with our equipment. Always get a second set of eyes on something that you're hearing. Always hear something that you're seeing. And again, that's the way that you wind up doing these leaks without cutting the deck in the wrong sections and wrong areas. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.